Hi guys, I'm very happy to be invited by Tyvok to experience the latest product, Spider S1. As a laser engraving enthusiast, I am very interested in laser engrave and cutter. The Spider S1 supports amazing layers for my engraving, and I'm really looking forward to experience it this time. My laser can produce a 1.8 by 1.2 meters multi-layer like this one behind me. If you want to make a big project like this one, I can only send them to a factory to be made by an industrial laser engraving machine. Wow, this is amazing. I'm a Marvel fan and this engraving is about 2 meters tall. Imagine if you can create something like this at home. I'd be proud. I just can't wait to create my own. Look at these beautiful furniture. They're very textured and smooth. There is no trace of black edge laser cutting. It's a delicate work. I've seen Tyvok videos before, and I think they do mold with laser cutting first, then stick it into the thick wood board, and finally, they use the wood router to shape it. Such process is very helpful to people like me who loves doing home woodwork. I hear that Tyvok Spider S1 can also perform CNC work. Let's wait and see. Wow! Look at this. I hear S1 has been working this Halloween project for about 2 weeks already. And we're gonna keep doing more, I guess. Now let's go to the product testing room and experience the Tyvok Spider S1 up close. Let's have a look. Wow, it's really much bigger than what I thought. Let's measure it. I measured it and I found out that the width of the machine is close to 1.3 meters and the length is about 2 meters. The official version will be expanded to 2.5 meters and it will be able to support the standard cutting of the European and American 4 by 8 feet whole sheets. The whole board has a movable feed flap, so you can feed materials directly. This is a 4 by 8 standard plywood sheet. Let's start! The engraving file layout will become very easy and the board utilization rate will be very high. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of the machine. The X-axis is very sturdy. We are bearing guide of synchronous belt transmission design. The main board and wiring are integrated on the X-axis, which makes the electrical design of the Y-axis more concise. It will be more convenient to install, but the design requirements of the X-axis wiring are higher. What particularly caught my attention was that the X-axis is equipped with 2 small fire extinguishing devices, which I have not seen in other engraving machines. It moves with the X-axis and can take the effect on the shortest time. So safety is indeed well ensured. Look at this 60 power watts laser head. It can also switch to 20 watts or 40 watts power. Normally I will set a lower power to engrave pictures. The engraving effect will be delicate, and I will set the maximum power to cut materials so that I can complete the work more efficiently. The Y-axis uses industrial-grade linear guides to rack the structure transmission, which has very strong stability. I've seen many large industrial lasers use this transmission method. Although this method produces a little bit more noise, it can maintain good accuracy in such long-distance transmission. Now let's take a look at the enclosed design. It's the first time I have seen a cover like this for a big machine. It opens and closes super easily, and the cover is fire resistant, which helps keep the smoke and laser away. Let's actually test the cutting on plywood. A simple test using LightBurn's wire connection. I first set up the LightBurn software. This machine supports wire connection, which I personally like to use. The Spider S1 also has Wi-Fi connection function, so you can upload engraving files into the other rooms and start working through screen operation. This is very convenient and you don't have to plug and unplug the TF card frequently. One more thing, before we start testing, we need to make sure the air assist is all set up and that the exhaust fan is connected to the air filter. Let's shift our focus to the S1 workplace. The exhaust system of the S1 is really powerful and there is almost no smoke leakage. Let's take a look at the test results. Wow, it is really beautiful. Now let's try other layers for my test. I made a human silhouette and the S1 completed the cutting of 1.85 meters in one go. This size is fantastic. Wow, now it's ready. the S1 just completed the cutting of this silhouette, which is almost as high as me. This is impressive. We just made this beautiful furniture using the Tyvok S1 machine, which is smooth, impressive. No black or laser traces on it. Besides laser engraving, the S1 also supports CNC functions, which I'm really interested in. Let's go have a look. Besides laser engraving, the S1 also can support CNC functions, which I'm really interested in. Let's try cutting some acrylic and see how it goes. Let's test the CNC model first. The process is very simple. First, remove the laser head and replace it with the CNC model. It takes about 20 seconds and will be faster after you're familiar with it. The CNC model is 200 watts in power and is equipped with a single fluid end mill for cutting and carbon cutter for making reliefs. Let's first try the cutting effect of transparent acrylic with a single fluid end mill. We can use double-sided tape to fit the acrylic paint. Set up CNC model and select CNC device in the LightBurn. Tyvok will provide CNC settings file and we can import to LightBurn. The whole process is very simple. Even people who have never used CNC can quickly get started, like me. The test results is very cool. The cut edges are very smooth, suitable for making some delicate small objects. Wow, I got many more things to offer. Look at this one. I'm taking this one. Overall, today's test experience was great. The S1 is indeed a very powerful device, far beyond my understanding of traditional desktop laser engraving machines. In particular, its large format cutting function has surpassed many industrial laser engraving machines and is suitable for users who need to process entire plates. The enclosed design also greatly improves safety, which is especially useful for long-time works. Impressed by the high efficiency of laser engraving, the powerful diode laser makes large format creation more efficient and is particularly suitable for mass production. At the same time, the simple process of the CNC model allows users who are not familiar with CNC to easily get started, increasing the possibilities of creation. What really impressed me the most about the S1 laser engraver is its flexibility. Its standard size is 4x8 feet, but if you don't need that much space right away, or you don't have the setup for it, you can start with a 4x4 feet configuration. That's enough for most tasks. And later you can expand it to the full 4x8 feet if needed. It's a great design that lets users adjust and expand as they go. Thank you for watching this video. I will bring more interesting content in the future. Just stay tuned.